guest, I have been observing and experiencing the body language at the time of table topic, at the time of the speaker, at the time of when Swalia was speaking something. So now, concluding my speech regarding body language and how body language works, and body language matters a lot. There is a formula from Albert Mehrabian. He says 7-35-55 rule of personal communication. 7, 38 and 55. Can you repeat after me? 7, 58, 38 and 55. 7, 38, 55. Please say.
7, 38, 55.
Once again.
7, 38, 55.
Once more.
7, 38, 55.
All right. 55 non-verbal communication. What does it mean? All right. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Non-verbal communication. For example, you say me, do you know the address? And I would say, it means I don't know. Rather, I would say, I don't know. So non-verbal communication plays an integral part, 55% of our daily life. How it goes? What are the things? Facial expressions. There are two, there are more actually. You can observe in wedding ceremonies. Facial expression, these are the sign of nervousness. For example, as a speaker, if I come over and I say, hello Toastmasters and guests, I am Raza Khan and I am speaking that my mother, topic is my mother, I love my mother, I like my mother, she is very good, blah 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 blah. Thank you so much. Alright. So the action I'm doing right now, I'm nervous. Though I'm speaking about my mother, I'm nervous. So when you do this, it means you are confident. It shows confidence level in terms of your body language. You find in many of my speeches, many of my presentation, I always do like this. This is the hugging style actually and releasing the tension actually. When you do this, you are in tension, you are on a gun tree. When you do this, you release your tension. Facial expression, one more. It's my turn now. Nail biting. You are confused. And when you come on the stage, you do the same. I am not prepared today. You do this the thing actually. I would like to share a very good thing. When I was teaching to that particular ladies class, there was a student, Mehrabian Rao. She always said that, sir, I don't know. Sir, I don't know. So she kept on feeling nervousness all about her tenure. The sign of nervousness these are. So how to remove them? You can remove them by open up your hands. Alright, it should be in frame actually, not like this. Facial expression. Gestures. Open palm gestures. Now see. My all-time favorite, my mentor, 2014 world champion of public speaking, Dhananjay. Do you know his nickname? Do you know his nickname? Dhananjay. It's very difficult spelling Hatirachi. Do you know his nickname? His nickname is Danny. Alright. So now, see this person close. Sir, I would like to say one thing. I'm confused. Sir, see what's happening. Gaining momentum. Close, open. Now feel, first time you spoke in front of the audience, and how did you feel? If you were like that, it means you were nervous. If you were not, it means you were confident. Are you with me? Hello?
Yes.
The next is type of gestures. This is conventional gesture. We say, for example, I'm having dal chawal. Alright, I'm saying, pondering like this. One, pondering. This is normal. For example, number 1, number 2, number 3. These are conventional actually. It shows daily routine expressions. We say this. Now, Oh my God. Increase my knowledge. Now, gestures, descriptive gestures. She said once in the class, Zaha said once in the class, and most of my students said once in the class, and KTC members always say in the class that I'm good at body language. My body moves all around with my words. I don't know why. I have tuned my body actually. I'm saying this, so hands are going that side. I'm doing this, hands are going that side. I must have been a bottom dancer once actually. So now, descriptive things. Here, I'm trying to sizing up the thing now. This big, this big, this big. Description. Alright, if I say big, very big room, bigger than first one. It is the biggest room. You say, sir, where is the room? This size, this size, this size. So you need to be descriptive. Here I am showing that now. These are something lying on the floor. If I say these are something lying on the floor, you must be looking at me, not on the floor, because I am not pointing out and descripting something. Are you with me?
Yes.
Please smile. Because I am going to show you one more slide of the fake smile and the real smile. Alright. Type of gesture. Now see, I am saying hello, mister. Don't try to mess with me. And he says, okay, sir. Alright. So here, I am trying to give him the non-verbal cue that when you come on the stage, how to stand. You are standing like this. Are you my slave? No. You come and stand like this. With a wide or wider chest actually. Stand like this, not like this. This is one of the body language. Open arm gestures. I am calling someone that please think like this, do like this. If I say please think like this, do like this. So you could have asked me, sir, how? How like this? I don't like this. Alright, so this is open arm gestures, describing something, describing something, descriptive manner. This is one of this side. For example, I am just using. Now, this part of the word is good and this part of the word is danger. If I say this part of the word is good, this part of the word is danger, you could have asked me, sir, which part of the word? This or that. So I need to describe things. Now, this is green one and that is orange one. If I say this is green one, that is orange one. So I need to point out things. I don't need to pick whole things, I need to point out things. So this is one of descriptive one. Now, enough is enough. This is one of the very good picture describing saying what. If I say, never think of a person, never like a person who does not like you. If I say, never like a person who does not like you, it is giving you information, not impact. Never like a person. Your body language moves, your words become heavier and the heaviest. Alright, so body language speaks louder than word. Are you with me?
Yes.
Thank you. Alright, so next one is emotional gestures. Just first, ladies. For example, you are going to the wedding and you find yourself unable to find your mascara, your eyeliner, your XYZ. So you do this, and you get late. Here, one jeans, many t-shirts for a week. Alright, you do this. These are emotional gestures. Alright. You do this actually. At the time of your intermediate result, both gender do this. Similarly, alright, 11th of September, first year result is being announced for engineering. So please like your gesture, select your favorite gesture and practice at home. Now, eye contact, fake eye contact and real eye contact. I would like to call a person on the monitor. Please clap it for Hania. How do I judge that eye contact is fake or real? For example, you shake your hand to a person, and you are looking at, or you are looking on his forehead, not into the eyes. If you are looking into the eyes, this is the real eye contact. For example, as a speaker, I am doing my speech, so my eye contact should be eyeball to eyeball. Eye contact means eyeball to eyeball. But you are looking on the face, on the ear, on the mobile, looking into the eyes, not looking at the person. Now see, I am looking at her. I am saying eye contact. No. So when I look into her eyes, this is the real eye contact. Alright, when I look at her face, this is not the eye contact. So this is real and fake eye contact. Alright, please keep standing. There are more slides to come. Oh my God, don't touch the podium. In school life, we have public school, college, we have rostrum, podium. So what we do? If there is a rostrum, so you must have a gap with the podium. Why? When you touch the podium, you lose your confidence. You start moving podium, then you start leaning down the podium, then you do this, and then you roll. Don't touch the podium. Let your speech, let your copy, let your stuff, notes touch the podium. You are not allowed to touch the podium. If you do that, so you are going to lose your confidence in a jiffy, or you are going to lose the audience attention. Alright, I hope you are with me. Smile. Fake smile, real smile. How do I judge that the smile is artificial or the real one? Have you ever observed a newborn baby? That's a real smile. Have you ever observed your boss? Artificial smile. So what is the difference between that? Artificial and real. Real smile, when you smile, you have wrinkles over here. When you do not have, it means artificial. Real smile comes by heart. So therefore, it shapes your face. So real smile and fake smile. Can you please smile? Let me check if that is it real or not. Sir. You are smiling, alright? Sorry. That's big, I guess. Sir, you are trying to smile, but it is fake actually. Alright, honey. She doesn't want to smile. She always wants to laugh at others. Alright, so real smile and fake smile. Understood the concept? So this is also the part of your body language. Always greet a person with a good and real smile. How to do that? How to do that? When you think about a person in your heart, and this person is good, positive vibes if you have in your heart, your smile will automatically be real. I don't like the person, and I say, I like you. So smile will not be real. Nature talks. Yes, whole body language. Divide the stage. As a speaker, thank you, honey. As a speaker, I would like to share $1 million slide with you for free. Alright, so now divide the stage. For example, you have 5 characters in your speech: mother, father, school, parking lot, and park. So divide the stage. Say, I'm going to the park, and then I went to my school. Oh, my mother is over there. So ultimately, you are using entire entire state, you don't know. Stance. So there are two kinds of stance. Hip stance and full stance. So most of the speakers stand like this. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, this is the style of standing. This is the style and this is the style. Fellow Toastmasters and guests. Thank you so much.